Good morning, students. I hope you are fine. Today I will tell you about adverbs. I have already explained in the class what are adverbs. Adverbs क्या होती हैं बेटा? So adverbs are the words that tell us more about the verbs. Okay? So there are four kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time and adverbs of frequency. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर में हमें क्या पता चलता है कि हाउ एन एक्शन इज़ डन, कि काम कैसे होता है। एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस में हमें क्या बताते हैं कि वेयर एन एक्शन इज़ डन, काम कहाँ होता है। थर्ड इज़ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम, व्हेन एन एक्शन इज़ डन, कि काम कब होता है। एंड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसी, इन दिस टाइप हमें ये पता चलता है कि दैट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स दैट एक्शन इज़ डन, कि कितनी बार कोई एक्शन हुआ है। सो यू हैव टू लर्न द डेफिनेशन ऑल्सो दैट एन एडवर्ब इज़ ए वर्ड दैट मॉडिफाइज द वर्ड। ओके, and I have already told you that adverbs of manner, how an action is done, adverbs of place, where an action is done, adverbs of time, when an action is done, and adverbs of frequency, how often the action is done, कितनी बार वो काम हुआ है। So these examples are of the adverbs. So you have to revise this page beta, page number 74. Here are the examples of adverbs. Okay, for example, he worked very gently. उसने काम बहुत gently मतलब अच्छे से किया। He speaks boldly. So these are the examples of adverbs of manner. Next is adverbs of place. For example, she is sitting behind the tree. So these are the example of adverbs of place: behind, anywhere, abroad, upstairs, etc. Adverbs of time, for example, she will come tomorrow. So in this sentence, tomorrow is adverb, and these are the examples of adverbs of time: soon, already, tomorrow, how, early, etc. In adverbs of frequency, for example, he often comes here. वो हमेशा यहाँ पर आता है। So these are the examples of adverbs of frequency. You have to read this page very carefully and understand it better. And after reading the page number 74, you have to solve this exercise on page number 118. Okay, here are the exercises of adverbs and its kinds beta. So how will you solve it? Here are the examples are given of adverbs. One is solved for you beta. Adverbs of place, for example, upstairs. Upstairs means she went upstairs. So upstairs क्या है? Adverbs of place. Adverbs of manner जैसे है she works very calmly, वो बहुत शांति से calmly काम करती है। Adverbs of manner. And adverbs of time, she will come soon. And adverbs of frequency, she comes here rarely. So you have to fill this exercise beta. And one more exercise you have to fill today, that is about subject and predicate. And I have already explained in the class what is subject and predicate. For example, one is solved for you: my room has a broken window. So जिसके बारे में बात हो रही होती है, that is the doer of the action, that is called subject. and predicate में क्या होता है? predicate में क्या include होता है? verb और object. I have already explained in the class beta. So for example, first sentence में देखेंगे हम my room has a broken window. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? my room. So my room क्या है हमारा यहाँ पर? subject. and has a broken window, दैट इज़ प्रेडिकेट, जिसमें हैज़ क्या है? हमारी वर्ब है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब है। एंड यहाँ पर हमारी जो है, यहाँ पर जो हैज़ हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, वो हम वो यहाँ पर मेन वर्ब का काम कर रही है. सो वर्ब इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन प्रेडिकेट. सो हैज़ ए ब्रोकन विंडो इज इंक्लूडेड इन द प्रेडिकेट. सो today you have filled this exercise on page number 119 beta. If you have any query then you can ask. So today you have to fill this exercise on page number 118. Exercise A आपको fill करनी है and on page number 119 you have to fill exercise part number D. Okay beta, if you have any query then you can ask. Okay beta, thank you and have a nice day.